Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. Love doing these videos. I love to share with you the knowledge that I have here of the local real estate market, particularly in Milpitas, where I do most of my business, and we talk about what's going on that's very, very current. So I'll share with you today some articles I have from the San Jose Mercury News, which I think are important and relative to our real estate market. Secondly, we'll talk about curb appeal, which is really important. So I've got some tips on that. And then to wrap up the video, we'll talk about some recent activity, particularly an open house that I had yesterday and about some new listings that are coming up. So let's begin. San Jose Mercury News on February 27th had a great article about tech boom, job boom starting to fizzle. They say Silicon Valley companies are still hiring, but right sizing of staff by many has led to a slowdown. So what I see is the companies are kind of trimming their costs. We know the stock market has done amazing volatility. It's been going up this year. And there's a lot of buyers out there with stock options and stock ready to cash in for down payments on homes. So we have plenty of buyers, and that certainly hasn't deterred that. And today's San Jose Mercury News talk about Bay Area home sales tick up in the first months of 2024. So we're seeing an uptick. There's more inventory available for buyers to pick from, and certainly properties are just flying off the shelf at the rate of either one day on the market, which I don't encourage. I like to always do an open house, to about 8 or 9 days on the market is the average marketing. So let's talk about curb appeal. Design recipes for a great curb appeal. Number one, home exterior. In fact, I just I did a listing presentation this morning for a duet home in Milpitas, and it has a combined home, so we won't be able to freshen up the paint outside, but the paint has signs of mold and some residue. So we're just going to power wash the outside and freshen it up. But I do recommend, if the paint is peeling or chipped or in very poor condition, that we do a fresh up, a paint job on the exterior. Landscaping. I'm not of the mindset to put a lot of money into fresh sod or green grass, but if you want to do a low maintenance landscaping, which is certainly more drought tolerant and very attractive for buyers, that is a very good feature to put in for the home in terms of curb appeal. Choose landscaping that allow for a year-round succession of bloom. And then lighting is important too. Freshen up the exterior lightings and modernize that. Some homeowners put carriage lights on each side of their garage door, and that's very, very attractive. And then along the pathways of the walkways, light those up. And I love to show, I did the home on 54 Butler Street last year, and we did a twilight open house. So we turned all the lights on, and it was, in fact, it was that buyer that came in to that twilight tour that ended up being the successful buyer and buying that property. So that's kind of a cool way to show a home. So let's talk about open house activity. I had the duplex open yesterday. That's the one at 520 to 522 Wool Drive in Milpitas. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath in the front and 2-bedroom, 1-bath in the back unit. The list price is $1,398,888. It has a little bit of deferred maintenance, so there's a little bit of money to put into it, not a lot, but it's got a lot of upside potential for it. And we had 25 groups in. I've already sent out this morning 5 disclosure packages to agents that are interested, and a couple buyers that came in that are interested. So let's see where that price point goes. It did appraise because he had a movement in his trust account. It appraised at $1,440,000. So I think we're at a good price at 1.4 to make it very attractive. So we'll see where that one goes. And then in following, not this week, but next weekend, I finally have the 5-bedroom, 2-bath condo townhome in the Berryessa area up for sale, and that'll be ready to view. Open house is March 16th and March 17th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. The price point on that one is $998,888. Great price. Just a couple dollars under under 1 million, so that should be really good. It's a really nice unit. Again, we're cleaning it up. The cleaners are there today. We'll have the staging done, and the photographs will be ready online if you want to take a look at that. And then I've got coming up the property at 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose. Tenants should be moving out toward the end of the month, so we'll be getting that ready next month to get that property up and on the market. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1577 square feet. But what's unique about this home, it has an additional dwelling unit. We call them ADUs. That's in the backyard of the property. Makes a great rental unit or an in-law quarters or a teenage suite, whatever you want. So that's going to be a cool property to look at. And then 2116 Blue Ridge Drive, waiting for the sellers to move out. That hopefully will be soon. That will be a Hillcrest home, a Chappelle, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2150 square foot home. Has a bedroom and bath downstairs. And on that one, we're going to go ahead and add the curb appeal because the price point is over $2 million. It's listed at 2.2. So we're going to do the new landscaping, have fresh paint in and out, and then new laminate flooring throughout. So look for that maybe in a month or two. And then I listed a home in Fremont, 42554 Charleston Way. It's a homeowner. They've lived there 37 years. It's a darling home. It's a great starter home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,450 square feet. It has a sitting or a retreat area that's off the master bedroom in the back, which is very nice. And it's in very, very good condition, good flooring, a cute little neighborhood. And the price point on that is $1,398,888. So there you go. I'm out talking to potential sellers. I have one today that I talked to. I've got an appointment this Wednesday in Milpitas. And so if you want to get your home ready, or we give it a quick chat on what I think that your home might be worth and what it'll take to get the home ready in this amazing market, give me a call, 408-945-8988, or shoot me an email at giordanodj@aol.com. Look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.